Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again here at Spotify Camp Nou, returning to the stadium after a match day and picking things up as construction activity resumes. After the rain and difficult weather conditions, the site is slowly coming back to life. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's completely free and helps support the channel. We begin today in the Tribuna area. This section is noticeably quiet compared to previous weeks, with very little machinery active at the moment. Workers are present, but activity is limited as the site resets after the match. One detail that still stands out here is the unfinished central wall, which remains unpainted. This is something expected to be completed soon as finishing work continues to progress. Timber panels that were previously installed along the terrace areas have now mostly been removed. We now move toward the diamond area. Here, glass installation remains on hold, with panels still stacked and staged near the facade. The progress line hasn't changed since last week, but all materials are clearly ready. Once glazing resumes, this section will close very quickly. As we approach the corner, activity increases slightly. Concrete works are underway, with a mixer and pump operating nearby. Cranes remain active in the background, and workers are visible at higher levels. Moving into the south goal, platforms are active around the beams and structural edges. Workers are painting and treating the main beams, applying protective coatings and finishing layers. Vertical supports for future louver installation are still missing in parts of this area, but the spacing and alignment clearly show where they will be added. This section differs from others, with tighter spacing and a more compact layout that reflects the changing geometry of the stadium. If you're enjoying the updates so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Your support really helps. Inside the corner zone, diagonal structural elements are already in place, while additional brackets and connections are still pending. Nearby, concrete pours continue in targeted areas, reinforcing access routes and structural bases. Along the lateral facade, a newly lifted structural component is now in position, preparing the site for the next compression ring element. This is a key moment, as these massive pieces will eventually support the roof. Formwork and reinforcement are visible around the widened parking entrance, where demolished sections are now being rebuilt and leveled. We then arrive at the north goal. Activity here is more consistent, with workers visible across multiple interior levels. Platforms operate near facade supports, and prefabricated seating continues to fill remaining gaps. While some diagonal supports are still missing, the overall structure is clearly advancing step by step. That's where we'll wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Even on quieter days, progress continues across every corner of the stadium. Some phases move slowly on the surface, but each task completed brings this historic project closer to its next major milestone. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for daily updates. Thanks for following along with MegaVerse Builds, and we'll be back very soon with more progress from Camp Nou.